Experience unmatched comfort and performance with the best ski boots, crafted to elevate your Alpine adventures and make every winter moment unforgettable. All ski boots, links are mentioned in the description below. Number 20. K2 Method Pro Ski Boot. A boot designed for the freestyle aficionado seeking unparalleled performance on the slopes. This boot stands out with its three-piece construction, ideal for riders dominating jumps and relishing in freestyle finesse. Boasting a flex rating of 100, it caters specifically to freestyle skiers, providing a perfect blend of stiffness and responsiveness. The Pro Overlap Intuition liner ensures a comfortable out-of-the-box fit, while its heat moldable feature allows for personalized customization. Combat Shin bang with this boot's innovative design, offering both comfort and protection during high-impact landings. With a 3-buckle system, including a robust power strap, the K2 Method Pro guarantees a secure, high-performance fit, making it a must-have for those who crave top-tier freestyle experiences. Number 19. Dynafit Hoji Free. These ski boots redefine the snow experience for enthusiasts, elevating both aesthetics and functionality. Picture effortlessly ascending the mountain with a remarkable 55-degree motion in the Hoji Free's walk mode, eliminating awkward movements and providing unparalleled freedom on the ski track. The revolutionary interlock system ensures pro-level stiffness during descents, akin to strapping rockets to your feet without compromising safety. The narrower last delivers a performance-oriented fit without sacrificing comfort, complemented by a thermo-moldable liner for a personalized day-long comfort. Crampon attachment points address concerns on steep, icy terrains. Despite being not the lightest, these boots shine in versatility, making them ideal for backcountry enthusiasts seeking a blend of comfort and top-notch performance, truly conquering the mountain on their terms. Number 18. Salomon S Pro Supra Boa. These Salomon stands out as one of the premier ski boots, blending aggression and comfort seamlessly for an unparalleled on-slope experience. Its standout feature, the Boa fit system in the lower shell, enables swift and precise adjustments, ensuring uniform wrapping without discomfort. The spine adjuster provides versatile flexibility, allowing a shift between softer landings and pro-level runs. Despite a slight precision compromise due to stiffness, these boots excel in lateral stiffness for confident turns. The heat moldable lining offers a personalized, snug fit, complemented by a thinner polyurethane shell and customizable unstitched tongue. With a grip walk sole for increased traction, this ski boot prioritizes user-friendly adjustments and optimal performance, making it a worthwhile investment for skiers seeking comfort, speed, and versatility. Number 17. Tecnica Mach 1 MV. Discover the pinnacle of precision and power with the Tecnica Men's Mach 1 MV ski boots, the undisputed heroes of the slopes. Meticulously engineered to marry performance and comfort, these boots redefine the skiing experience. The 3D cork liner, customizable for both liner and shell, ensures a personalized fit, empowering you to conquer the mountain with unmatched precision and responsiveness. The grip walk sole complements the boot's stiffness, offering confident walking on diverse terrains. With a medium volume fit catering to various foot shapes, these boots strike a perfect balance, even in the coldest conditions. Notably comfortable out of the box, the heat moldable features and shell dimples make them stand out as a top choice for serious skiers seeking the ideal blend of fit, warmth, and performance. Number 16. K2 Revolve Pro. For powder enthusiasts and freestyle aficionados, the K2 Revolve Pro ski boots present an exhilarating fusion of performance, comfort, and style. These boots go beyond the conventional with full heat moldable technology, offering a personalized comfort that surpasses one-size-fits-all approaches. The Revolve shell, crafted from TPU and boasting a flex rating of 100, strikes an impeccable balance between responsiveness and support, akin to a sophisticated suspension system for your feet. Navigating every bump and jump with finesse, the Intuition Pro wrap liner ensures a plush and supportive feel, guaranteeing precision throughout your skiing adventures. While fully heat moldable, the K2 Revolve Pro caters to those seeking a snug, precise fit, making it an ideal choice for freestylers who prioritize high performance without compromising comfort. Despite not being the lightest, its unique features make it a standout companion for versatile skiing experiences. Number 15. Nordica HF. An extraordinary skiing experience with Nordica HF ski boots. A true marvel and the superhero sidekick your feet have been yearning for. Boasting an exceptional fit with a 0.078-inch last and medium-wide volume, these boots provide a warm embrace like no other. The precision fit Prima Loft TF footprint elevates comfort, transforming each step into a cloud-like stroll. Featuring GripWalk Extra Grip and 5355 soles, they not only exude style but also instill the confidence to conquer diverse terrains effortlessly. The 3D Cork Fit Prima Loft liner adds a touch of blissful spa-like comfort, customizable to match your foot's contours. While not geared for speed records, these boots offer a perfect blend of comfort and responsiveness, making them an ideal choice for casual cruisers or seasoned pros seeking a relaxed fit throughout their skiing journey. Number 14. K2 Mindbender Boa. A skiing revolution with the K2 Mindbender Boa, a pinnacle of innovation and comfort. K2's triumph in the ski boot arena reaches new heights with this model, integrating the renowned Boa system alongside the classic buckle design for unparalleled convenience. The Mindbender Boa strikes a harmonious chord between a lightweight build and a flex that effortlessly adapts to your every move. Tailored to fit between 97 to 100 millimeters, these boots indulge your feet in roominess, ensuring a blissful experience for the average volume skier. This hybrid marvel seamlessly marries resort prowess with the freedom of backcountry exploration, enhancing your skiing journey with unmatched performance and versatility. Number 13. Atomic Hawx Ultra XTD Boa. A top-tier ski boot, dominating the hybrid touring category for years and excelling in catering to narrow ankles. The 2024 makeover enhances the design, addressing previous issues and introducing a polyurethane shell for a smoother flex, significantly easing the on and off process. While traditionally recommended for narrower feet, the new version's exceptional heat molding capability accommodates most average feet with minor adjustments. Available in 2 versions, the Boa equipped option stands out, providing a snug fit without compromising comfort. With its reputation for fitting narrow ankles and the added benefits of improved design and versatility, the Atomic Hawx Ultra XTD Boa proves to be a worthwhile investment for skiers seeking top-notch performance in hybrid touring. Number 12. Lange RX 120. A skiing journey like never before with the Lange RX 120, a pinnacle of all mountain prowess. Revolutionizing your skiing experience, Lange employs technology inspired by golf balls, blending soft and hard plastics in the shell for unparalleled energy transfer to your skis. This innovation ensures heightened performance and responsiveness, empowering you to conquer any slope effortlessly. The 4 adjustable aluminum buckles and a flexible power strap provide a secure and personalized fit, while the 100mm last liner with customizable options guarantees comfort tailored to your liking. The LV version, designed for more compact feet, adds versatility to this exceptional boot. Number 11. Atomic Hawx Magna 120 Ski Boots. The Atomic Hawx Magna 120, with a width of 102 millimeters, is on the narrower side of medium, but offers moldable shells and liners for added room. These boots have a stiff flex rating, ideal for aggressive downhill skiing. The frictionless pivot enhances power transfer, similar to Salomon's oversized pivot. The adjustable buckles and calf fit are commendable, and the liners provide warmth for long days on the slopes. However, there are a couple of drawbacks: the lack of a walk mode and the power strap's durability. One strap even ripped after a season, so upgrading to booster straps might be necessary for a better fit. Number 10. Full Tilt Descendant 100 Ski Boots. The Full Tilt Descendant 100 is designed for men and built for advanced skiers who don't want to sacrifice comfort for performance. If you have wide feet, the Evolution shell will be a favorite, as it feels like slipping on a pair of sneakers. Buckle ladders and a power strap provide ample customization for the perfect fit. With a medium flex rating, these boots offer enough performance for advanced skiers, but can also be enjoyed by intermediates. Number 9. Dalbello DS MX 75 Ski Boots. The Dalbello DS MX 75 ski boot is perfect for intermediate skiers and is one of the best options for wide feet. Its forgiving medium flex helps you progress without the sloppy feel found in softer flex models. These boots are also highly convenient, featuring a simple step-in system and comfortable design for walking around the chalet. On top of that, they are quite affordable, making them great for beginners who aren't ready to make a major investment. However, experts may find them lacking in support. Number 8. Nordica Cruise 90 Ski Boots. If you're looking for a ski boot to help you transition from beginner to intermediate, the Nordica Cruise 90 has you covered. In fact, these could even be your first boots without any issues. While they might feel a bit stiff at first, they enable quicker progress compared to dedicated beginner boots. One standout feature is the easy step in and out, thanks to a tongue that opens exceptionally wide. This convenience is appreciated when it's time for a break at the lodge. Solid features like a Velcro power strap and micro adjustment buckles are added bonuses, and the price is appealing as well. Number 7. K2BFC 100 Ski Boots. The K2BFC 100 is a medium flex all-mountain boot that handles moguls, piste, and big mountain terrain with ease. One of the standout features you'll notice as soon as you slip this boot on is the snug fit of the CushFit Plus liner. To call these boots comfortable would be an understatement, especially for those with wide feet. Another highlight is the ease of entry and exit. Just a few adjustments are needed. However, if you're looking for a stiffer boot, you may need to explore other options. Number 6. The Scarpa F1 LT. The Scarpa F1 LT is an ultra lightweight ski boot designed for ski tours, weighing just 2 pounds thanks to its carbon shell and cuff. It strikes the perfect balance between power and weight, with the 3D lambda torsion frame providing stability for downhill skiing. The Speedlock Ski Josh walk mechanism ensures precise ski movement, which is impressive for a boot this light. The bevel fit system guarantees a secure time-saving fit, so you can easily gear up and head downhill. The waterproof gaiter effectively keeps snow out, adding extra protection. Available in sizes 24 to 31, the F1 LT offers a customizable fit. If you want a lightweight, high-performance ski boot for downhill skiing, the Scarpa F1 LT is an excellent choice. Number 5. The Tecnica Cochise 115. Now the flagship boot of the Tecnica line, the Tecnica Cochise 115 boot provides power and control for skiers who take on all types of terrain. This versatile boot transitions seamlessly from resort to backcountry thanks to its walk mode and tech fittings, while the 115 Flex and 99mm last ensure powerful performance and a precise, comfortable fit. The lightweight rigidity of carbon and polyurethane construction supports hard-charging skiers, while the CAS liner molds to the foot for all-day comfort and warmth. The two-piece 4-buckle traditional Alpine design offers a familiar and secure fit, and the T-Ride walk mode with tech fittings enables backcountry exploration. Additionally, GripWalk soles make boot packing to fresh snow effortless. Number 4. The Rossignol Evo 70. The Rossignol Evo 70 ski boots provide beginner skiers with a blend of comfort and control for longer days on the slopes. With a relaxed 104mm last, they offer ample space for the forefoot, toe box, and ankle, while the 3-buckle shell ensures confident handling and a forgiving 70 flex. The lightweight sensor matrix shell enhances energy transfer, and bi-injected easy entry ensures seamless entry and exit. Custom T4 liners with adjustable zones provide personalized comfort, and GripWalk compatibility, sold separately, boosts traction. Constructed with a polyolefin shell and cuff, plus a 40mm power strap, these boots weigh 1.620 kilograms per half pair, size 26.5, making them an ideal choice for warmth, comfort, and reliable performance. Number 3. Edge LYT 80. These boots feature graphene-infused smart frame construction for a lightweight, strong, and responsive fit. DuoFlex technology integrates varying material densities in the shell, ensuring a progressive flex that is both responsive and forgiving. The easy entry shell design facilitates effortless entry and exit, even with thick ski socks. The pre-shaped Perfect Fit 3DS liner offers a comfortable and customized fit, enhancing support throughout the day. Replaceable outsoles provide versatility, allowing for customization based on different skiing needs. Number 2. Rossignol Pure Pro Heat. Experience high-performance skiing with all-day comfort in the Rossignol Pure Pro Heat women's ski boots. These boots combine cutting-edge design with heated liners for a warm, customized fit. The 100mm last and women-specific cuff provide balanced support and comfort. Integrated Thermi-C Bluetooth heated liners offer adjustable warmth through your smartphone. The generative design structure reduces weight while enhancing power transfer, and dual-core technology ensures optimal rebound and control. A rear spine flex adjustment lets you fine-tune performance. Merino wool insulation adds natural warmth, breathability, and odor control, while GripWalk soles improve traction and a natural walking motion. The Pure Pro Heat boots are built for skiers who demand comfort, warmth, and performance on every run. Number 1. Siren Lux Pro. Say goodbye to loose laces and mid-run adjustments with the Siren Lux Pro Twist boots. Featuring Pro Twist lacing, these boots provide the easiest, fastest, and most secure fit. Just twist the Pro dial to tighten the durable cable lacing to your desired feel, and pull the dial out to release effortlessly. Reinforced lace loops add durability and protection for long-lasting performance. Enjoy custom comfort with the ThermoFit Heat moldable liner, which adapts to your foot's unique shape to eliminate pressure points and keep you comfortable all day. Plus, a 3-year warranty against manufacturer defects means you can trust the Lux Pro twist for seasons to come. However, keep in mind that the advanced lacing system may require careful handling to avoid damage over time. So which ski boots are your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.